children, all of you are warmly welcome to our YouTube channel Kalakar Sapar. Today we are going to learn a one step ahead to the art journey what we have already completed. It is something fascinating, interesting and adorable, that is 3D art. Are you excited to learn this art and have a deep dive into 3D world? I am also excited to teach this, so let's begin.
Not much material is required, just you need a drawing book, pencil, scale and some crayon colors. Now we have to take a scale. By using a pencil we have to mark at every 4 centimeters. Keep your scale straight on the paper, then mark on 4 centimeters using a pencil. Then you can again keep your scale on the mark line and again you can start from 0 and mark on 4 centimeters, or you can simply do that. You can mark on 4 centimeters, then on 8 centimeters, then on 12 centimeters. You have to just follow table of 4. Now by keeping the scale on the mark lines, you have to make vertical lines. This is the roots to make 3D art. Just by using a scale, pencil, some crayon colors and a drawing book, you can make an amazing art. So do share this video to your friends and relatives and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Now follow the same steps. Now from this side you have to again mark on 4 centimeters, then on 8 centimeters, then on 12 centimeters. Now we have to make horizontal lines. You can see the blocks that I have made. We have to cut the extra part of the page. Now you have to count the blocks that you have made. If your count is an even number, then you have to start from first block. If your count is an odd number, you have to start from second block. As such, my count is 7. I am starting from second block. Now we have to make slanting lines from the opposite corners of a small square. We have to make tilted lines in a small square in such a way that it will form a tilted square or a diamond shape. Follow the same process in another blocks. I have made 3 diamond shape. Now follow the same process in another blocks. I have completed this. Let's go on another step. Now we have to stop this video for a while and just notate the letters that I have shown now. Now you can see the process how I have written the short keys and it will help us to do the color. D is for dark, M is for medium, and again M is for medium and L stands for light. You can choose any crayon color of your wish. I am using dark blue color. We have to do crayon colors in circular form so that there should be no white space. We have to apply maximum pressure on the paper so that the color is done dark. In this part we have to do dark to medium tone. So when we are coming to medium tone, we have to apply medium pressure. You can see the difference between maximum pressure and medium pressure. In this part we have to do medium to light tone. In medium tone we have to apply medium pressure, and in light tone we have to apply light pressure. Make sure that the line between the two triangles should be visible clearly. It's again medium to light tone. Do you remember what I've said earlier on medium to light tone? Oh yes, do you remember this? Very good. If you don't remember, I will repeat again. In medium tone we have to apply medium pressure, and in light tone we have to apply light pressure. Make sure that the line between the two triangles should be visible clearly. It's very important to make your drawing look 3D. Now in this part we have to do light to lightest tone. In light tone we have to apply little pressure, and in lightest tone we have to apply minimum pressure. You can see the difference between light and lightest tone. Now just touch up the areas which have some white space. It's ready. Now second diamond shape. In this part, we have to do medium to light tone. It's easy. Just remember what I have said before and do it. In this dark to medium tone, I have also shown a page before where I have noted down all the shortkeys. You can even see that. It will help you. What's that? Just touching up the areas between the two triangles. Now medium to light tone. And now light to lightest tone. Follow the same process of dark to light tone in this part. You need some patience to make this. I know you can do this. You can even do better than me. If you haven't subscribed our channel, then click on the subscribe button given below and click on the bell icon. After 5 minutes, what you will see is something amazing. Oh wow. Now we will complete our drawing. Now you will see the final drawing. If you like this video, then do share this with your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel.